In the next few minutes, you'll see how simple ingredients become thousands of delicious chocolate cakes every single day.
The key to a perfect batter is combining the dry ingredients before slowly introducing the liquid, ensuring a smooth, rich consistency.
This is the best cake here. We need more.
He's serious.
I know, right?
Happy birthday! Cheers!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay, hooray!
What started as flour, sugar, and cocoa has now become a delicious dessert enjoyed by families everywhere. A symphony of precision and indulgence, crafted on an unprecedented scale. If you enjoy amazing factory processes and giant manufacturing stories, subscribe and join us for the next factory adventure. This factory produces thousands of chocolate cakes every day. But how do they make so many with perfect quality?
Every delicious chocolate cake begins with carefully selected ingredients.
We need this palette cleared now. Moving the cake flour to the back row.
Moisture content is exactly 12.5%.
And the particle size is consistent with the standard. The batch is approved for the chocolate cake run.
Now the ingredients are combined to create the rich chocolate batter that forms the foundation of every cake.
Check the flow rate here. It seems a little thick. Okay, dialing it back by 5%. Perfect, right within tolerance now. Slump is holding well. What's the spindle reading? Rotor B, 62.5 at 20 RPM.
The chocolate batter is finally ready. Next, you'll see how thousands of cake molds are filled and transformed into freshly baked chocolate cakes. With the batter ready, the next step is filling thousands of cake molds with the exact same amount of mixture. Every mold must contain the perfect amount of batter to ensure consistent baking and quality. Now the transformation begins as the batter enters enormous tunnel ovens. Temperature and timing are carefully controlled to create the perfect chocolate cake texture.
This batch looks good.
Make sure the weights are calibrated.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's running high.
Tablet confirms the spike, adjusting the flow now.
Check the pressure on line 4, it seems low. Yeah, I'm showing a slight drop. Let me recalibrate the pneumatic flow.
Within minutes, plain cakes are transformed into beautifully frosted desserts.
The glaze on this batch looks consistent. Yes, the color saturation is perfect according to the standard.
Before frosting can be applied, the cakes must be cooled to the perfect temperature.
Ramping up the cryofans brought the core temps down another 2 degrees. The data on the tablet confirms it. We are within optimal parameters now.
The glaze not only improves appearance, but also helps lock in freshness. Every batch must meet strict standards before it can be applied to thousands of cakes. Now the cakes begin to look like the products customers recognize in stores.
I think these are ready for presentation. The detail is exquisite. Yeah.
Flawless work, chef.
The cakes look finished, but before they reach stores, they must pass a series of strict quality inspections.
The crumb structure is perfect.
Agreed. The water activity levels suggest high freshness.
Before any chocolate cake leaves the factory, it must pass strict quality inspections. Once approved, the cakes are packaged to protect freshness during transportation. Every package contains important information, including ingredients, freshness dates, and quality standards. Did you scan the last pallet on the left side?
Yes, all accounted for. We are ready to seal this truck.
That one goes right here.
Okay, this should be the last layer.
The factory produces so many cakes that giant warehouses are needed to store them before distribution.
Scan complete on the chocolate cakes. Looks good. Inventory matches the manifest. Ready for the loading dock.
The cakes are packaged and ready to leave the factory. Next, you'll see how thousands of chocolate cakes are delivered across the country and finally reach store shelves.
Watch your step with that pallet. Got it. Are these going to aisle 5? Yeah, stack them high.
Bay 3, bring the next pallet of cakes forward. Bay 5 is clear.
Advanced logistics systems ensure every cake arrives fresh and on time. Every day, thousands of cakes leave this factory for supermarkets, restaurants, and stores across the country. From simple ingredients to millions of delicious cakes, you've seen the complete factory journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you inside the next incredible factory.